Alright, another impromptu extemporaneous presentation here on some aviation facts. Some things that I wanted to share with you, what makes it wonderful to come to a museum like this. And if you ever get the opportunity to come to the National Museum of the United States Air Force in Dayton, Ohio, please do so. The folks here are fabulous. They're very knowledgeable. There's some amazing stories. But one of the things that is different about seeing vintage airplanes like this in their setting and up close and real and personal, real examples versus seeing them online or in a book, is that the details that you notice that, okay, yeah, you can see a picture of an airplane, yeah, you get the basic, but to see up close and in scale the details. One of the things that I pointed out to Chris on the Japanese Zero that is also present on the British Spitfire, copies of which they have here at the museum, are little red tabs that stick up from the wings. And Chris, tell everybody what those little red tabs indicate.
The red tabs do the gas.
Nope.
No, okay. The other
okay.
one.
Yeah, the other one.
Yeah.
Yes, the gas caps on the wings were painted red, so that fuel systems oftentimes have red as a designation to distinguish it from other things that you would fill an airplane with, such as hydraulics or oil, things like that. Those little red tabs that stick up from the wings are important because planes like this, and Chris would back up and show the cockpit, these are low wing, one person aircraft, and that person sitting in the cockpit coming in for a landing would not be able to see his landing gear. How do you know when the landing gear is down and locked? Now, more advanced type airplanes a little bit later than this era, they're going to start to use electric switches, and there'll be little lights on the display somewhere in the cockpit, usually on the dash, that's going to say your wheels are up or your wheels are down. This was a very simple system. When the gear came down and locked, those little red tabs popped up from the wing. You're landing, so you're not as worried about a little bit of airflow disturbance. That would be only minor anyway, so that's how you could tell that your wheels were down. Again, that's one of the nice things about coming and seeing things in person, is just being able to really scan the airplanes and see details like that. The navigational lights, the marker lights, the formation lights, the other features of how the planes were serviced and maintained, and just kind of how all the pieces work together. You get a better sense of that, seeing them, real examples live and in scale. If you'd like to see more videos like this that are actually more thoughtfully researched per plane and presented with more details, like a walk around of the entire airplane, let us know and maybe we can do some of those in the future. Thank you.